Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. Hope you all are doing good and are practicing yoga regularly. In this video I'm going to talk about a problem that a lot of people generally face. I face it very regularly. This is for people who travel. So people who practice yoga often feel problem when they travel because they don't want to carry their heavy yoga mats, and it's always a challenge how to practice when you are traveling. So what I used to do and what most of the people usually do, they use hotel towel. Okay, the towel, the complimentary towel that you get, you use it for your yoga practice as a mat. So that's what I have done for years. But what happens with yoga towel is it slips, so you have to be very cautious when you are using it. Plus it does not cover your entire body, so you can't do the full body practices like Surya Namaskar. So you can do limited practices, and that too you have to be very cautious when you're practicing. I was in search of a travel mat for a long time, and I did buy one travel mat earlier, but it wasn't much of a help because I was very thin and it used to slip, it used to fold, so it wasn't much of a help. So recently, I was about to travel to Dharamshala, and just before my travel, Wiselife, we had a collaboration. Wiselife, so they asked me to choose the product from their website, and I came across their travel mat. It's with me now. Yeah, so I went ahead and asked them to send this to me because I needed it, and the travel was already scheduled, so I could test it properly. So they sent me this travel mat. I'll show you now. So you see, this is it. It's very thin, so you can easily fold it. The good thing about this product is, if you look at it, its top layer is cork and the bottom layer is natural rubber. So there are other variations also, but I would suggest you go for the cork one because it gives a very natural feeling. See, though it is a collaboration, but you have known me. If you have followed me for years, you know that I'm very particular about what I am promoting. So, though they have multiple variations of travel mat, but I would want you to go for the cork one because when you practice on the cork surface, this layer, it feels very natural. It feels earthy. So yeah, the experience is really good when you are practicing on this mat. I have tried it. I have practiced 3 days when I was in Dharamkot on this mat, and I have tried all sort of practices. I have practiced Surya Namaskar. I have practiced Chakrasan, Purvottanasana, all the possible posture in which a mat could slip, fold, or skid. But nothing happened to this mat. It has a very good grip. Also, yeah, when you place your fingers on it, the grip is just perfect. So yeah, so this is a very good solution for people who are looking for the travel mat like I was looking for. And yeah, this is, of course, you might ask me this question that this is a thin mat. Can you directly use it on a tough surface? The answer is no. You're not going to use it on a tough surface. You have to use something underneath. When I say travel mat, you can use it during the travel. When you are using it wherever you are going, you are staying somewhere, generally in a room, there is a carpet. So you can place this on the carpet, or when we traveled this time, there was a mat available already because people exercise, but the condition of the mat was very bad. I wouldn't have practiced on that mat at all directly. So you can place this mat on such mats if available. If mats are not available, the rugs. I've used an old yoga mat and I have placed this on that surface. I've also used a carpet in the same property, and I have used this mat on the top of it and then practice. It has worked perfectly there. If you have a garden, then you don't need any mat at all. You can place this directly on the park or garden because that surface is fine. But the tough surface like tile surface or marble surface, in those surfaces you have to be careful, especially for your knees. So yeah, so yes, if you are someone who love to travel and who always struggle, who do not know how to practice when you are traveling, this is a good solution for you. Also, this is an eco-friendly mat. As I told you, this is cork and this is natural rubber. Currently, there is already a discount running on there. They're offering discount on this mat. So go, it's a good time, purchase it. Thank you so much Wiselife for sending me this product and letting me choose it. And yes, it is very helpful as I thought. And thank you everyone for watching this video, and yes, you can definitely go ahead with this product. It is going to be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep practicing. Bye bye. Namaste.